We have a sales dataset containing various information, such as prodotto, quantità, categoria, totale vendita, and paese di origine, and we want to create a pivot table to analyze the total sales for each product category in each country. We use pivot table to create a summary showing the sum of totale vendita, grouped by categoria, and paese di origine. We select in the Values field Totale Vendita so as to choose the column on which we want to calculate the sum, writing categoria on the index. So doing so, we would have the product categories as indexes, in our case, the rows. We set columns by writing Paese di origine so that we have the countries as columns. And finally, we specify on aggfunc, the text sum, to sum the values in the Totale Vendita column for each combination of category and country. In this way, we can quickly visualize which product categories generate the greatest volume of sales in each country.